Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a keyword foundation. Not later now. Identify 10 to 20 niche keywords using Instagram search suggestions and related phrases. Pick one primary keyword that exactly matches search intent. Once done, name your video file with that primary keyword and paste the keyword list into your notes for copy/paste. Make sure to select 2 to 3 supporting keywords you will speak naturally in the reel and add to the caption. This creates consistent signals across file name, audio, and caption. You now embed keywords into the content itself. Speak 2 to 3 of your chosen keywords naturally within the first 3 to 7 seconds so audio transcripts pick them up. This helps discoverability. Then write a caption with the primary keyword near the start, keeping it concise and informative, roughly 150 to 220 characters. Also overlay on-screen text and stickers containing keywords, and fill the alt text with a short keyword-led description. These layered signals reinforce relevance to Instagram's ranking. You finish by publishing strategically and optimizing after feedback. Post when your audience is most active, include 3 to 5 niche hashtags plus 1 broader tag, and ensure your caption opens with the primary keyword. Once posted, monitor insights for reach, saves, and discovery sources over the next 48 to 72 hours. If performance lags, swap the primary keyword or adjust caption and audio wording. Then repost after 48 to 72 hours. Test one change at a time to isolate impact.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.